For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, and you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Prajwal D'Souza. As COVID-19 still continues to wreak havoc around the world and a vaccine is yet to be developed, WHO has quashed the possibility of attaining herd immunity. WHO has said that attempts to reach herd immunity naturally would be dangerous and fraught with scores of deaths, while vaccination is a safer and more effective path. And at least 2/3 of a population needs to develop the immunity for it to matter, and that in turn needs the vaccine to happen safely and effectively. Now, what exactly is herd immunity? Herd immunity or community immunity is when a large part of the population of an area is immune to a specific disease. If enough people are resistant to the cause of a disease such as a virus or bacteria, it has nowhere to go. While not every single individual may be immune, the group as a whole has protection. This is because there are fewer high-risk people overall. The infection rates drop and the disease peters out. To tell us more about this, I have Dr. Sitesh Roy, a renowned immunologist from Mumbai. Now, doctor, why is the WHO denying the possibility of achieving herd immunity?
The WHO and any good medical professional knows that in order to achieve herd immunity naturally through infection, 60 to 70% of the population would have to catch the infection, which is a very high statistic. If you take a country like India with 130 crores, you would need to have at least 80 crore people face the virus and develop immunity to it.
Doctor, why is attempting herd immunity dangerous as per the WHO?
As you can expect, there have been crazy people around the world who have actually tried to have something called COVID parties, where under the assumption that we will all eventually catch this virus at some point of time in our lives or in whenever, why not catch it now and become immune to it? And hence it becomes extremely important that we realize that the right way to achieve herd immunity is through vaccination.
Is the vaccine the only way to contain the COVID-19 outbreak?
The vaccine, when available, a safe, effective immunogenic vaccine, is the safest way to achieve herd immunity. Trying to achieve herd immunity through natural infection, first, is an extremely slow process. Second, is filled with many risks for the people who catch the infection.
Doctor, are there any other instances where herd immunity was achieved?
Most certainly. Herd immunity has been achieved through successful vaccination programs many a times in the world for many different viral infections, bacterial infections. The biggest example for this would be smallpox vaccination, which was successful in eradicating smallpox as a disease.
If achieving herd immunity was possible, how long will it take to achieve it?
As I mentioned earlier, it would take years to achieve herd immunity because we are talking about at least 5 billion people acquiring the virus or getting vaccinated and developing immunity, because we need 60 to 70%. Even if we take a country like India, it would be close to 70 or 80 crore people or even more than that to be immune to the disease to say that we have achieved herd immunity.
Also, what are the challenges in attaining herd immunity?
The biggest challenge is the volume, the number of people who have to get either vaccinated or infected, symptomatic or asymptomatic infection, for herd immunity develop. These numbers are huge. Not just huge, humongous is the only word.
As we recorded this episode, the global tally of COVID-19 has crossed the 24 million mark. The threat is still looming and it is important to take precautions, wear masks and maintain social distancing. If you like this video, click on the like button, comment down below and let us know about what you think about this latest revelation by the WHO. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to News 9 on all the social media platforms. Thank you for watching.